For ages, humans loved making smart things. But today, things may be too smart. The technology race impacts our mental health, polarizes society, and destroys our planet. 2020 made us all rethink what progress means. We have to change smart into wise. Otherwise, we will run out of space and resources. This is our take. Wireless charger from sustainably sourced wood, designed in Berlin and made by hand in the Czech Republic. Grown, crafted and assembled in one area and finished with non-toxic beeswax. Plug into eco-technology with cable from compostable wheat straw material, MagSafe compatibility, and comfortable 15-watt wireless charging. This idea is not about features. If you back us, we will plant a tree on your behalf. But that is not enough. Every tree package is equipped with growing pellet and bonsai seeds for you to grow. Maybe taking care of one small tree will inspire you into many more actions, and you will help change this into this. Join the Treed Way. Recharge nature.